Hi, welcome to Prague. Today I'm going to show you how I pack for carry-on. For this trip is 3 weeks, but I think it could last me over a month or even longer. First of all, I carry this around. It has my wallet and passport. It's good just for easy access instead of digging in here every time while I'm traveling, and then also for going out or walking around the town. And then this is the North Face Terra 50, it's 50 liters. It is carry-on size. And then my jacket here is good for the winter, especially here in Prague, it's snowing. And I brought one pair of shoes. I'm wearing Doc Marten combat boots. They're good for walking around, super comfortable. I can also dress them up to go out and about. So first of all, this pocket up here, I have a quick dry microfiber towel, which is great because you definitely want to bring one. The hostels here, especially in Europe, charge you extra for towels. And it's quick drying, so you can just pack it in your bag right after you use it. Good to go. So on the top here, I have my makeup bag. It has all my makeup and hairbrush, things like that in there. This is the biggest part of my bag, and I don't normally always travel with it. It's my laptop. I have extra batteries in the charger and my folder of assignments because I am in school right now, so I do need to keep up with that while I'm traveling. Yeah, it's not ideal, but I've made it work for sure. I have my planner for school, also a journal for writing and keeping up with experiences, which I like to do. Here I have all my socks and underwear for 3 weeks in there. I have a pair of leggings, one pair good for traveling. I have 2 pairs of hats. Quite a few shirts. I would say that's my downfall here. I like to have options. So I have going out shirts, I have the sweater for warmer weather, or to keep warm, and then I have not so warm shirts for going out, t-shirts for pajamas, things like that, lots of shirts, another kind of sweater, good to layer, shirts, this is a sweatshirt I brought, just zip up, also good for layering, good for the plane and buses and trains like that. And then I brought 3 pairs of pants, 2 black ones because that's normally what I wear, and then 1 pair of denim pants. And then I have my other big item here, which is the toiletry bag. Seems kind of big, but it does fit nicely in the bottom of this backpack. And it's everything I need, extra contacts, lotion, all the stuff for the shower, and it's all travel size so that I can go through security just fine there. So that's everything in the main pocket, and then I have these pockets up here which I kind of just keep easy access things. This has padlock in it for lockers at hostels, extra battery, jewelry in here. And then over here I have my converter for electronics, and then I have my glasses and sunglasses. And then on the outside I have a nice medium-sized water bottle, nothing crazy. It's good to just have. And then, this is kind of funny, but here I have my curling iron because you gotta have it, and it fits perfectly in there. So this is everything I brought for 3 weeks, but like I said, I think it will last me even longer, and it all fits right in here.